This is a quick video tutorial on how to embed your Google Slides presentation to the D2L Discussion Board. Your first step after finishing your presentation will be to adjust the sharing settings so everyone in the class will be able to see your presentation. You'll do this by heading to the top right corner and selecting Share. If you look at the lower box and select Share Link, you can see that you have the option to restrict it, make it available to anyone at PCC, or available to anyone on the web. Make sure it's viewable for everyone, and then head over to File, which is in the top left-hand side. If you scroll down, you'll see you have a lot of options. You'll want to select Publish to the Web. Here you'll see that you can have a link or embed option. You'll want to select Embed, and then it'll generate a code for you. You'll first want to make it a small slide presentation before you click the embed code, and you'll see it'll prompt you to press Ctrl+C to copy the code. So you'll want to copy it before you head over to our D2L page. So we'll click over to our D2L discussion board and select Start a New Thread. This will open up the new dialog box. You'll enter a post title and then click the lower box. If you select the white triangle in a black square in the upper left corner, the Insert Stuff button, you'll see that several options will come up. You'll select Enter Embed Code from this list. And this is where you will paste that embed code pressing Ctrl+V. If you select Next, a preview will pop up, and there's your presentation. By selecting Insert, this will put the presentation within the body of your post so it's visible to everyone in the class. I like centering my presentations before I post it to the discussion board. And there you have it. Your presentation is posted to the discussion board.